How to fix Telegram not sending code to phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Telegram not sending your code to phone when you're trying to log in into your Telegram. So right here, whenever you type in your phone number and then tap on continue, Telegram says that it will send a verification code to your number. Now, if that is exactly what it's not doing, what you'll need to do is just wait for a bit. You will need to clear your Telegram's cache. To do that, head over to your settings. Under settings, you will need to head over to general. Under general, head over to iPhone storage. And under iPhone storage, you will need to find Telegram. So after you find Telegram, open it up and then you will need to offload the app. Tap on offload and offload the app. After you've completely offloaded the app, you will simply need to reinstall it. After you reinstall it, it will just clear all its cache and now you can try it again. Now before trying it again, let us do something else completely. Head over to your app store and on your app store search for Telegram. Now after you search for Telegram, search for any update available. Now as you can see, there is an update available. I'll just update the Telegram app. After you update it, most of it bugs and fixes will get fixed. Patches, it will come with patches and many minor improvements. So after it does that and after you have just upgraded your Telegram, you can simply log back in and you should not be facing the same problem again. And that is how you fix it, guys, and that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching.